In this video, I'm excited to share with you the fully funded scholarship opportunity by the King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals in Saudi Arabia for the spring semester 2023-2024 to all international students. The application is free of charge. If you're interested to study for free in Saudi Arabia, I encourage you to watch this video till the end to understand the full process. Hi, my name is Silva. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends.
This is the official website of King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals, and it says the admission for spring 2023-24 is now open. And this is the button to start the application and also the button for you to track your application. But before we can click on this button to see how the process works, let us see the deadlines for this application. So I'm going to click on this link here to view the detailed deadlines. So this is the activity period for the spring semester starting January 2024. The online application opened on May 22nd, 2023. Last day for submitting the online application and uploading your documents is 22nd of June 2023, and the last day for submitting your online recommendations is 29th of June 2023. And the last day for the announcement of the application result is going to be the mid of October 2023. Basic requirement is a 4-year bachelor degree and 2 years master's degree for PhD applicants from recognized institutions, and you must have a minimum GPA of 3.0 for scholarship students and 2.5 for non-scholarship students out of 4. So this means if you want to be considered for the scholarship option, you should have a minimum GPA of 3.0 out of 4.0. And all interested and eligible local and international candidates are invited to apply for this. Right now, I'm going to be clicking on this link to see the list of the Masters and PhD programs available at King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals. Importantly, here it says international applicants can apply only to PhD, MSc and MBA programs with the exception of city and regional planning and medical physics. The rest of the program you are eligible to apply. So let's click on this link to see the programs. These are the list of graduate programs that are offered at the King Fahd University, and they have various programs there that you can apply to. Aerospace engineering is a Master of Science, Applied Statistics, Architectural Engineering, Business Administration, Chemical Engineering, Chemistry, Computer Engineering, Computer Network, Computer Science, Construction Engineering, a whole lot. So you could do well to take a time and look through it. But please bear in mind that on the website it says that you cannot apply to city and regional planning as an international student. You can click on any of these programs to learn more. For us to know the eligibility criteria and the minimum requirements, I'm going to click on Start Your Application. So this brings us to the online application page, and here you can click on this button to check your eligibility criteria, and it says the basic application requirement for master's program in science and engineering is a 4-year bachelor degree from a recognized institution, and you should have a GPA of 3.0 or higher on a scale of 4 for scholarship students, and also a GPA of 2.0 or higher on a scale of 4 for non-scholarship students. Basic requirement for PhD program also is MSc degree in engineering or science after a 4-year BSc degree, GPA of 3.0 on a scale of 4 in both bachelor's and master's degree. This is also the basic application requirement for those that want to do MBA. 4-year bachelor degree, GPA of 3.0 or higher, at least one course in college calculus, a working knowledge of computer as evidenced by at least one course in that area, at least 1 year of full-time experience, but these requirements may be waived for applicants with exceptional academic records. Let's see the minimum requirements. So for you to start the application proper, you should be sure to have scanned all your copies of mandatory documents in PDF. Each document should be stored in the correct folder in the upload system, otherwise wrong folders will be deleted or ignored. You should also have ready as a mandatory document names and emails of 2 referees, and you would fill this in the recommenders information section. And these are the mandatory documents that need to be submitted online. You need a copy of your identification, your international passport or a national ID if you're a Saudi national, complete official transcript, 2 recommendation letters, a statement of purpose, passport size photograph, and this is optional if you're a female, and then a CV mentioning briefly your education and work experience. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. Also, subscribe to the channel to be part of this community. You also need a GMAT score if you're applying for international MBA. These are other supporting documents, and it says needed for final decision. So this is TOEFL, GRE. Basically, you could submit your application, but before the final decision, be sure to have your TOEFL, and it also depends on your course. Some programs might not require this, while some might require this. In case you want to contact them for clarification regarding any of these application documents, this is their email address. You could contact them, and also the telephone number. And once you're ready for the application, you click on apply. So it brings you to this page. You can sign in if you already have a username or password, but if not, you're going to create an account. So you fill in your personal details and you click on create account. Here it says, thank you for creating an account. An email has been sent to the address provided. So this is my mailbox, and this is the email that they sent to me as confirmation. I'm going to click here to verify my email. And now it says, thank you for verifying your email. Please sign in. I'm going to sign in with my username and password and click on sign in. So automatically it brought me to this page where you're going to be making the application. And when you scroll down, you can see here it says all fields with asterisks are required. And this is the online application for spring 2023-24 intake. And here you must select the scholarship type. So right now we're going to select international scholarship. And when you scroll down, you're going to select your degree type. I'm going to select Master of Science and select your major type of study. I'm going to be selecting MSc Chemistry. And here you're going to select your concentration. I'm going to be selecting organic chemistry. Click on next. It brought me to the second page, which is the personal information page. So here you're going to fill your personal information. Remember that everything in asterisks is important. Take your time and read through and fill it as honest as possible so that they can understand your case. You can jump to any of these tabs in case you don't have information for one of them. You can jump to educational tab, for example, and it brings you to the educational history. Here you can fill that in and you hit save. When you click on the recommendation tab, you can see that it says true recommendation are required, and you can read all that is in red, which is mandatory, and get yourself familiarized with this particular section. You can click on the requirements to see what is still required of you. It shows me the summary of everything I've done so far. So now it's still telling me this personal details is pending. Basically, almost everything for me is still pending because I have not filled anything. And when I scroll down, I can see the documents that I need to attach. So I need to attach a bachelor transcript. I need to attach my CV, statement of purpose. Basically, everything in asterisk is important. And once you are done with this application, you have the option to save and come back to it later. You can hit on submit when you are done. So I think this is going to be peculiar to each person. Take your time and fill it as correct as possible. I would not be going through each of them filling it out. But basically, this is how it's going to be filled, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. And also, this is free of charge. This is the financial benefits tab. This is what you're going to be receiving if you qualify for this scholarship. Following are the benefits. So it's covering the full tuition, a monthly stipend to cover your living expenses, free furnished air-conditioned bachelor housing, essential medical care, free textbook, subsidized meals in the university cafeteria, a chance to participate along with the university faculty in the research and book writing, projects funded by the university, a prepaid air passage for initial travel to Daman at the start of the contract, and a return ticket after the completion of the degree for international students. Other benefits are also available in accordance with the university policy. So this is really wow. Do well and apply to this and take advantage of this opportunity. Also, let me know in the comment section if you'll be applying to this scholarship. An important tip I would like to give us regarding this particular application is that please ensure that you submit all the required documents stated for your particular program so that you don't get disqualified. Attach each of the documents in the right folder that is provided on the application portal to avoid disqualification. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.